how to fix an high-pitched noise coming from your Samsung device. So the first thing and the most obvious one is we want to look in the speakers and anywhere around here or the charger port and make sure that there is no debris or dirt sitting in there. If there is, you just want to clean that out, and that is method number one. Now, if we don't do this, we can then go over to our settings if this still doesn't work, and then we can go down and go over to software update, and then you want to make sure that you are on the latest update, because this could be a cause of your problem. Now, if this doesn't work, the final thing that we can try is we can try and force reset our device, and to do this you need to locate the volume down and also the lock button, and then you want to hold them both down for around 7 to 10 seconds until you see your screen go blank. So if you keep holding, keep holding, keep holding, as you can see this is now being forced reset, and then you just want to simply click on press down on the power button to power back on your device. So once we see the Samsung logo, that will then mean that you have then powered back on your device. And if those three methods do not work, the final thing that we can do is contact Samsung, because the problem may be faulty components inside the device itself, which will need professionals to go ahead and fix. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can do it. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.